So here at the new Oncology Centre at Hollywood, we'll be offering the latest technology and services for radiation oncology. So behind me here will be a linear accelerator, and that will be an Electroversa HD, which is one of the latest that will be able to offer stereotactic treatments and the latest treatments that we've got available. So our new oncology centre here will be able to treat around 1,000 Western Australians each year, and that's across all of the different tumour streams. We're especially going to be focusing on breast and prostate cancer patients with the new technology.
The linear accelerator delivers photon beam treatment, probably commonly described as external beam radiation. But this particular linear accelerator has state-of-the-art technology with a tracking system which allows it to position patients and for us to view patients as they're having treatment. What this means, it's a more rapid treatment and it is high precision. We're very privileged here at Hollywood because we're part of a comprehensive cancer centre, and that includes specialised radiology services, specialised surgeons and the Breast Cancer Research Centre, and we all work together for the benefit of the patient.
We're really excited to be able to offer a rapid access pathway here at Hollywood, and that basically means that from the time the patient comes and meets a radiation oncologist for their initial consult through to the commencement of their treatment will be as efficient as possible.
Over the past decade, we've recruited a number of medical specialists and we've increased our offering for cancer and cancer-related care. So those medical specialists who work with us work in what we call a multidisciplinary team environment with our allied health and our nurses and our support staff to provide really good patient care. The partnership with GenesisCare means that the one aspect of care that we weren't previously able to provide on site, which was radiation oncology, and which meant that patients had to travel off-site for their radiation oncology and then back to the campus, means that they can now get all of their care from the one location. So we really are now a one-stop shop for cancer care in Western Australia. Our vision for cancer care is that we are the most trusted provider of cancer care in Western Australia. And I think through our approach to multidisciplinary teamwork and care of the patient, not only just looking after their clinical needs, but also their emotional needs during a very difficult time, we're a long way toward realising that vision.